A controversy that's destined for the courts over a bill that hasn't even been filed yet.
Governor Bill Lee says he wants to make Tennessee the most pro-life state in the country. His proposals would ban abortions once a heartbeat is detected, require a woman to have an ultrasound prior to an abortion, and ban doctors from performing the procedure if the woman wants to have an abortion based on sex, race, or disability diagnosis of the fetus.
News Channel 5's Jason Lamb joins us tonight with a look at the latest reaction to the proposal. Jason?
Well, that's right, and critics of Governor Lee's plan say it will unnecessarily force Tennessee taxpayers to fork over millions of dollars in legal fees when this all goes to court.
I believe that we have a special responsibility to protect the most vulnerable members of our community.
The announcement from Governor Lee that he's proposing a plan that would ban abortions as soon as a doctor can hear a heartbeat in the womb is already reverberating outside Capitol Hill. Inside the hall for the announcement today were advocates for Planned Parenthood who say the proposal will create mountains of legal bills the state will have to pay.
He's planning on spending millions of dollars of taxpayer money to fund this effort, even though everybody knows that abortion and the right to an abortion and bodily autonomy is a constitutionally protected right for all people.
But we know at least one pro-life group will have the governor's ear as he compiles his legislation, with the Family Action Council of Tennessee saying in a statement today, "We appreciate and share the governor's passion for the sanctity of life. We also appreciate the offer he has made for us to provide input on the matter and look forward to working with him and the legislature toward our shared goal of defending life at every stage." We also heard from Tennessee Right to Life in response to the governor's announcement today. They said this is essentially what Tennesseans want, having elected a pro-life governor and pro-life majorities in both houses of the legislature. Live in Nashville tonight, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.
Jason, thank you. A fetal heartbeat bill passed the House last year, but it was killed by Lieutenant Governor Randy McNally.